Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to turn off active status on Instagram. So, if you haven't subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. So, let's begin the video. First of all, you will simply open your Instagram application. So, you will simply tap on your profile. At the top corner, there are three horizontal lines. You will simply tap on three horizontal lines. You will tap on settings. So, here what you need to do is you will simply go to privacy. After tapping on privacy, you will simply scroll it, and here is the third last option of activity status. You will simply tap on activity status. So here you will turn off the activity status. So your activity status has been turned off. So this is the simple process of turning off the activity status on Instagram. So if you want to turn it on, then you will tap on it and turn it on. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more informative videos. Thank you.